like a joystick, like a game controller. This is ollie. It's actually the dark side of ollie. I got it from America to It works from your phone as well. pretty much all about it.